They have like these cute little strappies.
That's too much.
They're really cute, but like this is...
Those are very unnecessary, and you have 5 minutes.
What did you want me to do? Get regular fishnets?
Yes.
Yeah. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know the shimmy, then you are clearly new here. So my name is Delana Cherie, and today we are on a very special mission because I just got invited to a last minute Halloween party and I don't have a costume, and so we're going to be throwing something together today. So I am outside of Hobby Lobby right now. I'm gonna have about 15 minutes at this store, 15 minutes at Academy to get the things that I need, and then about probably around 30 minutes considering the drive there. So I'm going to be doing all the rest of the getting ready actually in the back of my car. So let's go.
There's not enough time.
Hurry up. Last thing that we need is foam paper. Yeah, foam paper. Probably glue for the foam paper. Wait, is this foam paper? No.
That would work though, right? Small at one end, big on the other, Delana.
I know. Not a child. That's like not.
Okay, we'll get foam paper. Forget it. Look at these. Oh, there's a crop. Is that kid clothes or a crop top? Oh, perfect though.
I know.
Put that one up against you. What do you think? Yeah? Delana!
Oh, this is a good color too.
Yeah.
Wait, no, this one.
It's perfect. A little... What's it called? Oh wait, sorry. I was...
There was another one.
Oh my gosh!
Wait.
Perfect. Minus rookie move, Delana. It's so perfect. And we just cutting that top off. We're good.
Are we using like those flowers?
We're doing it.
Perfect.
Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god, why has this been the most easy trip?
Because how obviously.
Wait,
What's that mean?
do you think this will be enough? Should we get like some super glue?
Just in case, yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, let's go.
Trying to be nonchalant, but also like this room. I hope I can fit that. Who knows?
You know if there's like a sporting store around here?
There's, I think it's Academy on the other side of 75.
We've got the first batch of goods. The only thing we need is shorts. You guys still don't know what I'm turning into yet. Okay, I'm now in the back seat and it's time to get this freaking show on the road. Hillary is going to be driving. I am going to just be getting freaking ready. So I gotta go to a freaking party. Where's my stuff? I lost. I don't even know. Now I'm nervous. Let's do this. Should I get dressed first or should I do my makeup first? Makeup?
I would get dressed first.
Flip a coin. I kind of think I should do my makeup first.
Here.
Just so I don't get any makeup on the stuff.
That's what I was thinking. And that way it like completes the look with the outfit.
Yeah. That way whenever I put everything on, it's like all together. Okay, it's decided. We're doing our makeup first. So we got 30 minutes and go. I'm nervous. Go. I'm actually really scared now. I don't think I've ever done, like, I haven't even done like the 5-minute makeup challenge or like anything like that. I don't know where to start. You know what? I think I'm gonna put powder on my face to save time. Okay. Where's my corrector? There it is. I'm not organized at all. I would tell you that I'm not organized because I threw everything together to get ready, but honestly, that's how my makeup bag looks all the time. So I just realized that I told you guys that you didn't know what I was going to be yet, but you might know because it might be on the thumbnail. So I don't know if you know or not. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I know. Oh, good.
Is her thing in front of her face?
Okay, it was a little bit.
Palette. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing the dash cam. I'm just trying to help us.
Well, help yourself.
I don't want to hear another peep out of you, Hillary.
Don't embarrass me like that. Telling me I'm blocking the camera with my palette and whatnot. Look, I always think you know what's best.
I do.
Say, oh, dude, it's been like 5 minutes already.
speed it up.
Hurry the hell up.
Shut up, guys. Don't embarrass me. I'm actually gonna use the, oh, wait, I have to set my under eyes. Frick. Okay, everything is going so far. So good. How much time? Oh my god, 8 minutes. Okay, that's for like, I have not even started on my costume, but that's okay. I think we're good. I think it's gonna be like 50% this and then 50% so. I don't know, maybe at like the 15-minute mark I should be on my costume.
You gotta tape and glue some things.
We're gonna be a snatch, so we gotta get that contour.
Oh, well, you kind of just said
Spoiler!
something. What's your favorite part of Halloween, Delana?
Scary things. The fact that like horror is all around me, you know, like 24/7.
It's also like signifies the kickoff for fall,
Yes.
True.
which is kind of nice.
And also, like, what other time do you get to dress up as another character? You know?
I think it's cool to see people's creativeness come out. I understand, like, everyone wants to relate it back to, like, Satanism or whatever, but I'm also like, well, like, you make it for what it is.
I'm like 10 freaking minutes in, I don't even have my lashes or eyeshadow or anything on. Okay. Okay.
Come on, Delaney, you're better than this.
I'll have lilac eyeshadow on. I mean, eyeshadow. But I do have a little bit of like a dusty purple that I can put in my crease. Oh my gosh, I don't even know brows or anything. What have I been doing with my whole life? You know what? Stay focused on the goal. Just finish the eyes. So what's this? Oh. How about this peach? That seems like a very thing to do. Oh, I don't like that color. Get it off of me.
Spooky.
Preston just dragged me.
Sorry.
Okay, I gotta get these lashes on, and then I'll feel good about my life. And it's gonna be really great putting lashes on in the car. It's just gonna be so much fun. I've done it once before successfully. That was the only time. Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. I'm actually getting nervous. 15 minutes.
Oof. A little bit of a bumper.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're just throwing challenges your way left and right.
Yeah, I can't look at this screen.
What if I just like just hit that back button at the top right corner of the screen? Okay.
I'm clicking the film button.
Can we try to say all of our sentences as fast as possible?
What sentences?
What are you trying to say?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
When we do this?
Listen, I have to do my makeup as fast as possible, so I don't want to hear any conversation unless it's as fast as possible.
Alright, start the timer. Now.
Hello.
Darn it.
Oh, God.
It's because we're on an incline. It's having a hard time shifting gears.
You don't have to explain your pain away. Okay, now I have to put lash glue on my
You have
lashes for the third
16 and a
time.
half minutes.
Shut up! Why would you say that?
Because we can do it. Oh, I mean, we can do it.
I gotta start. This is literally the third layer of glue I'm putting on. Why is my nose itching?
Because you're nervous.
I hate it.
Oh my gosh, are you constipated?
Whatever you do, don't go for a bump right now.
Speaking fast
I
enough.
feel like an angel right now. Okay, peach lipstick, mascara. Okay, I gotta let my lashes set, but I'm just gonna do some peach lipstick and mascara, and hopefully
And then
have
I'll-
time for brows at the end. Why is my eye watering? It's just not the time. I'm just gonna try to overdraw my lips with my lipstick later. Wow, that looks bad. I don't know what my lipstick is right now, but okay, let's do this. Okay, mascara and then move on. I have done mascara in the car many a times. I got a little dot. Okay, that's about as good as brows. Okay, we got freaking 11 minutes! Oh, God!
Delana, I think you have plenty of time. Just breathe. If I just breathe, every little thing's between our
Duck. Oh, you're good.
Oh,
Why are you flipping us off?
did he flip us off?
Yes, he did.
Why?
Because he's a dumb teen.
Angry little teenagers.
Let's follow him home. Creep him out.
Hey guys.
That would actually be super funny.
Hey, little boy. Well,
This is so pretty.
Chloe, don't distract me.
we're having.
Don't
Hold
distract
on.
me with these beautiful houses.
Girl, we all know what that face is.
You have like 7 minutes.
Dude, what is even happening with this? What kind of pants?
They have like these cute little strappies.
That's too much.
They're really cute, but like this is.
Those are very unnecessary, and you have 5 minutes.
What did you want me to do? Get regular fishnets?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sweaty. Where are my shorts? Listen, I know my straps are a lot, but it adds, okay? It adds.
To what?
Don't doubt me. Let's get some thigh highs going on. Dude, these are gonna be so hot. I'm already like freaking sweating. I got 4, less than 5 minutes. I think I'm actually doing pretty good.
I think so. Ooh, there we go.
Okay, so should we wear these heels?
Which ones are those? Yeah, those are.
Yes! 3 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do some pigtails. I don't know how good the pigtails are gonna look. We should do Jessica Rabbit one day.
We need to get you a water bra.
Burn!
Not really like about, but like her boobs are like ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay,
This guy's taking his friggin' time.
we got less than 2 minutes. Where's my hat?
Did you put the little things on the shorts?
No!
You just stick them on, girl.
I have my scissors in here. Oh, gotta get this thing off. Ow!
Nonsense.
Oh, you gonna cry. Oh, Delana, baby, gonna cry.
God.
So maybe it takes 35 minutes.
No, I'll do it in less.
32 and a half.
Yes, that's better. Get off. Like
Oh, I had a knife. Duh. That was dumb.
a knife.
I don't know if that would be
Like
the most-
3. I don't know why I didn't think of that.
Wanted to see you struggle for it. Working for that Monday.
Monday.
Wow, Delana, this looks great.
Mom, are you proud of me? I have to sit like this, otherwise my...
Ugh. So are you ready, Delana? Or what about stuff on your shorts?
Oh my god! Why do I have this on? Where's the bag? I should have put it on my shorts first.
Yeah.
I didn't need you to agree with that.
And I'm like, you can do it before or after. It doesn't matter. You do it.
Well, it
Hold
does
on.
matter.
No,
it
you
very
do
much
you.
does
How?
matter.
How does it matter?
Another conniption.
I have the best idea. I'm going to use super glue in my car. Isn't that a great idea? Oh god. I'm not even going to try to peel off all these little sticker things. I'm just going to go in with the soups. He has like a patch here and then like a patch over here and a patch over here.
But they're big ones.
Well, I know. I have to add more.
You want to go through the McDonald's line again?
Yeah! The tradition! Tradition! I have no idea if this is correct placement, but it's where we're placing them. I don't know if my patches are going to be even. They are what they are.
Just be you.
I am what I
Whoa, horsey.
These fumes are
Furious.
furious.
Okay, what does everybody want?
Whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
I'll get a medium french fry.
Can I get 3 medium french fries and a water, please?
Can I get a medium Sprite?
And a medium Sprite,
No
please.
ice?
With no ice.
Tony, are you okay?
No, that's all.
Yeah, I'm good. I just, a lot of fumes.
Right.
Okay.
Dude,
Struggle
check out
bus.
my shorts.
I'm really struggling. Oh. Ooh, okay. Okay, well, this is terrible lighting. Look at your face. Oh yeah, there you go. Complete it. 11.
A few moments later.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals.
I think I'm early.
I think I'm early to the party.
Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't called gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.
Oh. Hi. So, come here often?
Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Put my
Dang it, I forget we're recording.